Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Quicken Loans Data Rooms for closings, detailed guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with Quicken Loans Data Rooms, begin by accessing the Quicken Loans website. Locate the login section on the home page. Enter your registered email address associated with your account. Input your password in the designated field. Click the login button to proceed. If you encounter any issues, select the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password if necessary. Once logged in, navigate to the Data Rooms section. Select the specific data room related to your closing. Review all documents and information provided in the data room. If additional authentication is required, follow the on-screen instructions. Complete any multi-factor authentication processes as prompted. You may need to verify your identity through a code sent to your registered email or phone number. If applicable, ensure that all required fields are filled out thoroughly. Once authenticated, you will gain full access to the data room. Take your time to familiarize yourself with the layout and available resources. For any support, utilize the help section within the data room. After reviewing the documents, you may proceed to finalize any necessary actions related to your closing. Ensure you log out after completing your tasks for security purposes. Review all communications for updates related to your closing process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.